Goeiemorgen! Today's an exciting day. We've got a building project and something very exciting coming to the farm later. My name is Karenna. This is Shanae. And we are building strength by moving off-grid. Become part of this story on Patreon and read our private blog. Sponsor a square meter of the Enough Garden and watch it come to life. This is part of a bunk bed that we had in our house in Cape Town. It is now going to become a chicken coop. This bunk bed, actually, no one ever slept on the top bunk. It's pretty flimsy, but underneath is where I had my classroom for my online teaching. So I spent many hours under this bunk, and I think it's very fitting that it's now a chicken coop. Ready to tear my old classroom apart.
Fun.
Yeah.
Did you ever think when you were doing this and when we were making this that this is going to be a chicken coop?
No. Dude, this was like my jail in Cape Town. For like 13 hours a day. Especially during the pandemic. I just taught online all day. Which was nice. I'm very grateful for that, but it's a different life.
Okay, let's show you guys.
Yeah. Shanae made this during the pandemic also.
One last spin. Where's my zebra?
No, the magnets are each one.
Weren't there one here?
Oh, maybe. Okay.
Okay. So we'll take this off.
Hmm.
And I think maybe the school can make good use of this.
Yeah. That'd be lovely.
So the plan is now, I'm going to take all the screws off that's still stuck in there. This I'm going to loosen nicely. And then I'll cut those edges off on that side so I can make the roof. And then we'll assemble it. Oh, now I have screws again. We don't throw anything away. That's also why I like using proper screws. You may pay a little bit more for them, but you can reuse them.
Can we just like mimic how this used to go? Okay. Okay. From 2 a.m. sometimes to 4 p.m. sometimes. This is me. Hello! I'm Teacher C. How are you? Sad? Happy? How are you? Then when I get a response, where's the animals? I used to have a bunch of animals to choose from, and then they go home. Then 25 minutes later, we start again. Next one.
Okay.
Yeah. I like this life better now.
Okay, so this screw is stripped. We can't get it out. So I'll just grind these off. And when we attach, we just find a different piece. I think that's going to be the case for most of them. I think that is why all of these screws are still here. I think we couldn't get them out.
I remember that actually when we were
So
packing
we might
up.
as well just grind all of these off. Let's just move
Ooh, I
these.
smell that.
And let's just be careful.
Okay, this bottom one, there's that one. And the other side there too.
Oh, yeah. We don't have this, but we can use this. Do it again. Now I need to get the circular saw so we can cut that. So if we can get bricks so that this can stand higher, then I can lift the circular saw up so I can cut it evenly.
Oh, okay. What's you want? 4 like
That
cinder
way.
blocks.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
So let's go do some gym exercise.
Well, farmer carry.
Yeah.
Then when I get here, I'll squat. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let's move these.
All right. I'm glad we've been working out. You can see Shanae's farmer carry has definitely improved. That's one of the exercises in our online challenges that we've been doing. Each month we're doing an exercise challenge where it's 33 minutes of exercise, 5 days a week. The goal is to improve strength and mobility gradually and enjoy the process. Get creative when you have to. We live here in the bush, so sometimes we use the cinder blocks or whatever we've got to do our training and weight training. And we also have actual weights, which is fun too. But what we like is getting creative, and as we build the homestead, we build things with as little as possible because that's what we got. That's why we're making a chicken coop out of a bed, because that'll serve a better purpose. But that's something we're learning from homesteading. Let's get creative, and why shouldn't that apply to strength training and mobility, so that it can be something we enjoy every day or becomes part of your routine and benefits your life in some way.
Okay. Just gonna knock it. See how straight we get it?
Okay, do you want me to hold it?
Yes.
Or what? Is it hot?
No, that's stuck.
Oh. Maybe if you now come from this side and knock it in, then it will get looser, because this probably is a lot of tension. I think start here. All right.
So what I see here. It's a thin one. Okay. Let's see if Next one.
Let's move it down and then flip it up a little bit.
Okay. Now flip.
Smacked me in the cheek.
Oh. So that was.
Okay, let's move it back down a little bit.
Okay. Up. Oh. Yes. Okay, that's good. So it's a little bit unstable, so what we're going to do now is put some supporting beams on all the sides and corners just to make it more durable because we get heavy winds here. And then we will put some chicken wire around it with shade net. Okay, so I'm thinking we can take this and cut them off here, and these planks, you don't have to cut them. These planks we can attach like this in the corners to stabilize it a bit more on all four, and these 4 pieces. Then I want this to be like raised here with chicken wire so the poop can fall through. So we are gonna have to put planks this way, and then some, because then you'll have a square, then planks this way so that you can put the chicken wire over. I think it would have been more stable if you could attach it on the outside, but now this one is too short to do that.
So I think what's best right now is to take a little break and think about things and maybe go on a search for some more wood so that we can attach these securely.
And stabilize them a bit.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why we never used this bed in Cape Town. It's clearly not stable, and it was actually how much longer? It was this much taller, so you can imagine it was that much more unsteady. But we're gonna make a plan and come back to this in a little bit because we've got biohunters that are coming to our house.
Let's get ready.
All right.